वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे
कामरूपिणी
विद्यां
विद्या
करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अस्तु सर्वेषां स्वागतमस्ति। प्रारम्भं कुर्मः। So as you all may remember, we have a revision test this week. So today we will do lots of practice. If you have any specific topics you want to cover, let me know, we can cover them. I got request for Suman Pratyaya and to do the Vibhakti topics, so we will specifically look at them. And Manjula Mahodaya asked about Sarvanama Shabda, we will cover them also. And as we go along, if there are any doubts, please feel free to ask. Are there any questions about the test itself? Straightforward. It's just like a homework. You'll get the notification about the test. Prepare until then. Take the test whenever you're ready. You have time until next Tuesday, midnight IST. So there is a tutorial class on Friday, and there is also a tutorial class every Saturday morning, same time as Friday evening. Friday's tutorial is same as this time. Saturday is at 6:45 to 8:15 IST. So if there are topics that are unclear and they don't get covered today for any reason, you have one more opportunity to ask during those tutorial sessions. So you don't have to take the test as soon as you get the question paper. You have time until next Tuesday. So attend those tutorial sessions, spend time over the weekend if you need to study, and then take the test. It's up to you whenever you feel like it.
Namaste Mahodaya. This is my first test. Is it objective type questions or I have to write it down?
No. Lekhaniyameva. You have to write it down. No. There won't be any essays or write 10 lines about some topic. None of that. Basic revision of whatever we have studied. So in every homework you have exercises from the end of each chapter, right? What is the Bhutakala of this? What is the Bhavishyat Kala of this? That type of thing. It's basically for you to revise what you have learned. That's all. Prarambham kurmah.
All the Vishesh Rupani also we have to remember, no?
Please, yeah, they are important. We will do an abhyasa. So we will try to cover the Vishesha Rupa also. Astu. Who wants to say the Rama table without, or Balakaha without looking at the screen? Let me start here. Okay. First time on my screen is Srividya Mahodaya. Rama. So before you begin, we covered Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bahuvachana for Prathama Vibhakti and Dvitiya Vibhakti only. For the rest, we covered for Tritiya to Saptami, we covered Ekavachana and Bahuvachana only, and that is fine. Nothing will be out of syllabus. Srividya Mahodaya, Balaka.
बालकः बालौ बालाः
बाल बाला fine. बालः बालौ बालाः
बालकाः बालकाः बालकं बालकौ बालकान् बालकेन बालकाभ्यां बालकैः.
We didn't study Dvivachanam for
Yes, but for the table already Rama for Rama you have given, no? So I read that.
I don't think so, but okay, fine. I don't want to confuse anybody. That's all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just say ekavachanam and bahuvachanam.
Yes, please.
Okay. So balakaya balakebhyah. Balakat balakebhyah. Balakasya balakanam. And for balake balakeshu.
Balakeshu uttamam.
He balak
vadatu
he balaka he balakaha
balakau he
balakau okay he balakau he balakaha
उत्तमं हेमन्ती महोदय लता
लता लते लताः लतां लते लताः लतया लताभिः लतया लताभिः. The fourth is लतायाः लताभ्यः लतायाः लतानां
लताभ्यः.
Oh yes, two लतायाः लतायाः लतानां लतायां लतासु. Oh, I missed latayai chaturthi vibhakti. Okay. But yes, so that's why I get confused.
लतया लताभिः लतायै लताभ्यः
latayai.
लतायाः लताभ्यः लतायाः लतानां लतायां लतासु. उत्तमं. कविता महोदय. नदी. कविता महोदय अस्ति वा? अस्तु. माधुरी महोदय. नदी.
नदी नद्यो नद्य
नद्यः विसर्ग अस्ति.
yes yes हे नदी हे नद्यो हे नद्यः नदीं नद्यो नदीः
नदीं न नदीं
नदीं नद्यो नदीः
नदीः
नदीः नद्या नदीभिः नद्ये नदीभ्यः नद्याः नदीभ्यः नद्याः नदीनां नद्यां नदीषु.
उत्तमम् उत्तमं. भाग्या महोदय. फलशब्द नपुंसकलिङ्ग.
फलं फले फलानि फलं फले फलानि हे फले हे फले हे फलानि
हे फल एकवचन
Oh, हे राम, हे पला, हे पला, हे पले, हे पलानि. फलेन, फलाभ्यां, फलैः, फलाय, फलाभ्यां, फलाभ्यः, फला.
भ्याभ्यां
द्विवचन.
we didn't study dvivachana. I don't want to
Sorry,
confuse.
sorry.
Chinta mastu, chinta.
Okay, palaya,
I know.
palaya,
Falebhyah,
palabhyah,
falabhyah,
palaya, palebhyah, palat, palebhyah, palasya, palanam, phale, phaleshu. Sorry, Modi.
No, उत्तमं. सुमित्रा महोदय, तद् पुंलिङ्गे.
तत् पुल्लिङ्ग. सः, तौ, ते. द्वितीया विभक्ति तं, तौ, तान्. तृतीया will.
We didn't study. We studied only prathama and dvitiya. स्त्रीलिङ्गे नपुंसकलिङ्गे अपि वदतु.
सा, ते, ताः, तां, ते, ताः. Then tat, te, tani, tat, te, tani.
उत्तमं. एतद् will also be the same. उषा महोदय, एतद्.
धन्यवाद.
एषः, एषः,
तौ,
एते, एतौ, एते, एतं, एतौ, एते, no, एतं, एते, एतान्. Yeah, एतं, एते, एतान्.
एतं, एते, एताः.
Oh, etam, etau. It's etam, etau, etan.
एतं, एतौ, एतान्. पुंलिङ्ग. एतं, एतौ, एतान्.
Then for to do Srilinga as well.
कृपया करोतु.
So it's esha, ete, etaha. So it's etam, ete, etaha.
नपुंसकलिङ्गे
एतत्, एते, एतानि, एतत्, एते, एतानि.
उत्तमं. विजय मीनन् महोदय, किं शब्द?
Okay, I didn't understand the tan part. Okay.
पृच्छतु. What is the question?
No. She mentioned about etan. What is that?
एतत् शब्द द्वितीया विभक्ति बहुवचन.
Oh, द्वितीया विभक्ति. Okay. I was.
So तद् शब्द, what is the द्वितीया विभक्ति?
Tad.
तं, तौ, तान्.
Okay.
Right. So for etat shabda, you simply add. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Tam, tau, tan. For etat shabda, simply add a in front of.
Etam, etau,
etam. So what is the meaning of tam, tau, tan?
Those. Right. Pronoun of saha, male. So that person or that male or those two males or those all, right?
But in karma form, right? To him. Him or to him. Not he, him or to him.
Yeah, this is the homework we did.
Manjula Mahoday, you had questions about Sarvanama Shabda in Dvivachana. Please ask.
Tam tau tan, right?
Tam
No,
tau tan.
I know that, but how to make the sentences, Mahodaya?
अस्तु अत्र अस्ति पश्यतु शिक्षकः तं पृच्छति हिम् so tam is him
Tam equals him, okay.
Or to him so use that in a sentence.
Sita tam pruchati. Tam
satyam tam pruchati. Sita asked him. Satyam.
Then same thing will be Sita tau pruchati, Sita taha pruchati.
Tan pruchati. Tam tau tan.
Tam tau ta. Okay.
Sita asked him. Sita asked the two of them. Sita asked all of them.
All of them. Strilinga tam te taha.
Tam te. So make sentences in Strilinga. Just like in Pumlinga, tam means him or to him. In Strilinga, it means her or to her.
Yeah, to her. Shikshakaha tam pathati. Pathayati. Shikshakaha pathayati. Shikshakaha ta pathayati.
Uttamam. Same way Napumsakalingam.
Phalam tat patati. No.
Tat phalam patati. Or tat patati. Forget about phalam. Tat patati. That falls.
That falls. Okay.
We don't care what falls. That something falls.
Te patati. Tani patati.
Tani patanti. Oh, Kshamyatam. I'm talking Prathama Vibhakti. I'm talking.
Rama tat pashyati. So Rama sees that. Tat phalam.
Ramaha tat pashyati. Rama sees that. Ramaha te pashyati. He sees those two objects, Napumsakalinga objects. Ramaha tani pashyati. Rama sees those objects that are in Napumsakalinga.
Etad shabda Mahodaya.
Vadatu.
Etam etau etan.
In Pumlinga.
The meaning of etam.
What is the meaning of tam? Tam is him, somebody far off. Etam means somebody who is close to you, a male person who is close to you.
Okay.
Mahodaya, I have a question, Mahodaya. I wrote Ramaha tam Sitam pruchati.
Tam Sitam va?
Yes.
It should be Tam Sitam.
His Sita meaning? Rama is calling his Sita.
This Sita. Etam
His
Sitam. Etam Sitam.
Or his it should not be tam.
Sita.
Shashti vibhakti should be there.
Tasya. Okay.
We haven't covered all of that, no?
Okay.
We will cover those in a future class.
So if he wants to call Sita, what should be the sentence?
Rama Sitam ahvayati.
Anumodaya.
Kim Shabda I was to say, no?
We'll do Kim in a second. Bhagya Mahoday, Pichyati.
Balakah tam patam patati. Is that wrong?
What is Patham? Patham is Pumlinga. Lesson.
Yeah.
Tam
So that's
Patham, not lesson. Tam Patham Patati.
Patam patitum ichati.
Pathitum Ichhati.
Yeah.
Now we are Tam Patham Pathati. Or
Tam patam patati or tam patam patitum ichati. Is it wrong? Can I say both?
Both are
Okay.
correct.
Dhanyavada Mahoday.
Astu. Vijay Menon Mahoday.
Kim Shabda. Right.
Karoti.
Pulinga. Kaha kau ke. Kaha kau ke. Strilinga, shall I say?
Dvitiya Vibhakti api karoti.
Okay, the Dvitiya Vibhakti kam kau kan.
So what is the lesson there? So kaha kau ke, kam kau kan, it rhymes with saha kau te, tam kau kan. So
Yeah,
kim
same.
shabda
Becomes-
rhymes with tad shabda and etad shabda and yad shabda.
Yeah, it's
So if you
almost
learn
same.
one, you're done.
Correct.
Strilinga.
Strilinga ka ke kaha.
Kaha. Dirgha.
Kaha. Ka ke kaha. Dvitiya Vibhakti kam ke kaha.
Kam ke kaha. Again, if you look at the screen,
See,
ka ke kaha, kam ke kaha, ka ke kaha, kam ke kaha.
rhyming.
And esha, ete, etaha, etam, ete, etaha, ya, ye, yaha, yam, ye, yaha. Napunsakalinga.
Napunsakalinga Pratham Vibhakti kim ke kani. And same thing for Ditya also. Same.
Kim ke kani. Satyam. So in Napunsakalinga, only the Prathama Ekavachana will be different in Prathama.
Different. Kim. It will become Kim.
Satyetani, etat, ete, etani, etat, ete, etani, yatye, yani, yatye, yani. All of those fine. Only Kim in Ekavachana will be different.
Yeah, only that is different.
Uttamam.
Dhanyawad.
This is important. So ask questions about Sarvanama Shabda if you have any. Manjula Mahoday, have your doubts been cleared?
I'm okay. Thank you.
We will practice one more thing. Balakaha patham pathati. So instead of one boy, let us do Dvivachana and Bahuvachana. Sudha Mahoday.
बालकः पाठं पठति बालकौ पाठं पठतः बालकाः पाठं पठन्ति
So there what is the observation there? Is there any relation between any of the
Patam remains the same because it's one patam that they are same. The kriya is changing according to the karta.
What aspect of the kriya is changing?
It is balakah.
What about the kriya?
Patati, patataha.
Pathanti. So the vachana.
Patanti. Vachana of the kriya is.
So the vachana of the kriya shabda matches the vachana of the karta. So that is an important lesson. We always have to remember that.
Right.
Balakaha pathati, balakau pathataha, balakaha pathanti. Uttamam. And then we said balakaha patham patati, balakau patham pathataha, balakaha patham pathanti. So the karma does not change depending on the kriya does not change depending on the karma. It does
Karma.
not change karma. Surendra Mahodaya, same thing instead of balakaha, balika.
बालिका पाठं पठति बालिका बालिकौ पाठौ बालके पाठौ पठतः and बालिकाः पाठं पठन्ति
पुनः बालिका पाठं पठति
बालिका पाठं पठति बालिके पाठं पठतः बालिकाः पाठं पठन्ति
पाठं पठन्ति. Again there the vachana of the kriya pada depends on the
vachana of kriya pad.
One more observation between what you said and what Sudha Mahodaya said. Balakah pathati, balika pathati. Balakau pathatah, balike pathatah. Balakaah pathanti, balikaah pathanti. So the kriya pada does not depend on the linga.
Yeah.
So pumlinga also, strilinga also is patati, patatah, pathanti.
Pathanti, right.
Uttama. Bhavani Mahoday. न श्रूयते. Bhavani Mahoday.
Yeah.
So same thing, balakah patham pathati. This time change the karma pada into dvivachana and bahuvachana.
Balakah patam patati. Balakah is the subject. Patam change the karma pada. So that would be patam, right?
Dvitiya vibhakti form. Essentially, we are saying what are the dvitiya vibhakti forms of patham. Karma padam, dvivachana, bahuvachana. Rama, ramam.
Yeah. So balakah patam patati. Then balakah patam pate pat.
Ramam. Patha is a pumlinga shabda. So ramam, ramau, raman.
Raman. So patan.
Patham, pathau, patham.
Patan. So Ramam patan patati.
Balakah patham patati.
Balakah patan patati.
Dvivachana also we studied, so don't miss dvivachana. Balakah patham patati, balakah pathau patati, balakah pathan patati. So is the kriya pada changing when you change the karma pada from patham, pathau, pathan? Is it changing?
No.
So kriya pada, the vachana of kriya pada does not depend on the vachana of the karma pada. Sukanya Mahoday. Same thing, balika patham pathati.
Balika patham. Balika is strilinga, so it will be balika patham pathati. Balika pathe pathati. Balika patah patati.
So patha is a pumlinga shabda. It's not a strilinga shabda.
balika, balika is Strilinga, no?
Correct. That's why we are practicing this. So, patha is a Pullinga Shabda. So, pathau, pathan. Its linga does not change based on the linga of the karta. There is no relationship between the two. So, whether it is balakaha or balika, patham pathati. If there are two books, so one girl, she reads one book, she reads two books, she reads
many books.
So say that again. Say it again.
Okay. Balika patham pathati. Balika pathau pathati. Balika pathan pathanti.
Uttamam.
Dhanyavad.
Is it clear?
I can do one more. I can try one more, Mahoday.
Prayatnam karoti.
It's okay with him.
Karoti. Balakaha bhojanam khadati. So try it in
Bhojanam is a napumsakalika. So balakaha bhojanam khadati. Balakaha bhojanam bhojane bhojanani. Bhojanam bhojane.
Let's say phalam. Since you know phalam very well, let's phalam khadati.
Okay. Balakaha phalam khadati. Balakaha phale khadati. Balakaha phalani khadati.
There is only one boy.
Khadati.
So if it is balika, same thing, instead of balakaha, balika is there.
Balika phalam khadati. Balika phale khadataha. Will that change, Mahodaya? Will it change the
so
Kriya Padam? Does it change for
Kriya Padam changes only if the karta changes from one to two to many. So if there is one balika khadati, whether it is one fruit, two fruits, or many fruits, if there is only one balika, it will always be khadati. If there is one balika, it will always be khadati.
Okay. So it is balika phalam khadati. Balika phale khadati. Balika phalani khadati.
Balika phalani khadati. Uttamam. Is that clear? Let's do one more abhyasa. Prashant Mahodaya.
Yes.
Prashant Mahodaya, अस्ति वा?
अस्ति.
अस्मि.
अहम् अस्मि.
उत्तमं. बालकः जलं पिबति.
बालकः जलं पिबति. बालकः जले पिबति. बालकः जलानि पिबति.
Pibati, not pibti, pibati. Pibati. So instead of balakaha, balika.
It's balika jalam pibati. Balika jale pibati. Balikaha jale pibati.
So whether it is balakaha or balika, it is pibati. So kriya is not changing. And since we are talking only about one balaka or one balika, whether they drink one water, two waters, or many waters, it doesn't matter. Pibati remains the same. So the vachana of the kriya pada depends only on the vachana of the karta. It does not depend on the vachana of the karma pada.
Yes.
Does
There
anybody
is
have?
one question, Bhanu. Like in the test, we'll have like what we are doing in the what we did in the class, like 31st. That would also be for the homework.
31st.
Sorry for the test. I'm sorry for the test.
In the last,
for
what we have done in the last class, you are saying?
Yes, that would also be for the test or not? There is one doubt which I have. Like I was just having a look. Like when we see this one, give me just one. Like when we say that a tat phalam or a tat phalam, which we did. Give me just one. I just have a doubt, small doubt here. There. Like I'm asking him, like if the thing is near or far away, like we have to use that tat and etat, or it's not required.
It is required. It is required. So Vanaraha tat phalam khadati. The monkey eats that fruit. Vanaraha etat phalam khadati. The monkey eats this fruit that is near me or near it.
Okay. Same thing like this. Shikshaka tam balikam prichati. He's asking this, and then etam balikam prichati would be like that, the far away.
Ulta.
Sorry. Yes. Right. Tam would be the far away, and etam would be the near one. I'm sorry. Yes. Yes. So that would also be asked, like because I haven't done the last homework. So
it's in the syllabus. I don't know if it will be asked or not.
Okay, but we have to do it. Okay. Okay, I'll do it. Thank you.
Any questions on what we just, the examples that we just did?
No, more or less, like it was clear. Like I have to just revise what we did in the last class, because that part I was not able to revise because I was revising the other stuff like earlier, which we did. This one, then I have to do it. It's. Thank you.
महोदय एक प्रश्नम् अस्ति वानरः तानि फलानि खादति in case प्रश्नः if you want to ask like kani, is it required to say kani phalani? Should you ask kani phalani or kani khadati is fine?
Kani khadati is fine.
Okay.
What multiple things has he eating?
Bhanumahodaya.
Dhanyawad.
Thank you. Can you please revise this Sarvanama Padam again, because I'm not that much clear. द्वितीया विभक्ति
अस्तु
भानु महोदय
पृच्छतु
एकं प्रश्नम् अस्ति what we just revised like girl drinks eats 1 fruit 2 fruits 3 fruits when you sorry how would you frame it in the how would it be asked in the test? What would the question be?
So
I mean, how do we recognize what to write? That's my question.
I think it will be clear in the question. I think Ekavachana, the sentence will be given in Ekavachana and you might be asked to write in Dvivachana and Bahuvachana. I'm guessing, I don't know.
Astu.
Astu. Srividya Mahodaya, Drishyate va screen? So Shikshakaha tam pruchhati. So the teacher asked him, somebody far off. Tau pruchhati. Some two people he is asking. Tan pruchhati. He is asking some people. Male, all of them male. So do the same thing for somebody near to the Shikshakaha.
Shikshakaha etam pruchhati.
Etam pruchhati.
Etau pruchhati. Tana Prichati. Etana Prichati.
So
I'm clear with the tam, tau, tan, etam, etau, etan. I'm clear. But what I'm not clear is how to frame a sentence because I make a mistake there.
So Manjula Mahoday framed a sentence, right? So okay, not I. Rama sees him. How do you frame that sentence?
Ramaha tam pashyati.
That's all. Dvivachane?
Ramaha tau pashyati. Ramaha tan pashyati.
No, that's
so,
it.
Okay. Okay. That's where I had got confused and I have written all wrong answers for the homework.
Chintama. Are you now clear on how to frame things?
I don't have to frame big long sentences. That I have learned now.
always 3 words or 4 words. That's it. There is a joke, right? If a policeman stops you and asks you, answer only what he asks you. Don't deviate even 1 centimeter here or there. So like that.
Short and sweet.
Short and sweet. 3 words, 4 words, done. Let us practice.
Can we just revise the Striling and the Napunsakling part, like the near and the like what we did last time? Just a quick revision that, and something with the ka also, like if it could be. Thank you.
So tam, te, taha, her or to her, two females, taha many females, when they are in the karma form, object form. So Prashant Mahodaya, you only make 3 sentences. Rama sees her and 2 of her and many of her.
Ramaha, sorry, could you repeat the question again?
Rama sees her. Sees.
Rama tam pashyati. Ramaha te pashyati. Ramaha ta pashyati.
That's it. You got it. So one thing we saw was the kim shabda rhymes with the tad shabda. So you do the same thing. Rama, who does he see?
Dvitiya vibhakti.
Tam Mahodaya, Dvitiya vibhakti.
No, tam, te, taha. This is Dvitiya vibhakti.
Tam Mahodaya, Dvitiya vibhakti. Strilinga. So Prashant Mahodaya.
Yes.
So you ask the kim form. So looking same sentence, Rama sees her. Instead of that, Rama sees who? Female.
Rama, would it be kam pashyati?
Satyam. Kam pashyati.
Ramaha kam pashyati. Ramaha ke pashyati. Ramaha kaha pashyati.
Kaha. You have to say
kaha.
Satyam. That's it.
Okay.
Anupama Mahodaya.
Mahodaya.
Rama eats that ekavachana, dvivachana, bahuvachana. That we don't care what that is.
Mahodaya. Rama sees that. Ramaha sees that is Napunsakalinga. That Ramaha sees that. Ramaha tat pashyati. Ramah Tani Pashyati.
That is Bahuvachana. Dvivachana?
Te Pashyati.
Uttama. Tat Pashyati, Te Pashyati, Tani Pashyati. If you want to ask the question, same thing in question form.
Ramah Kim Pashyati? Ramah Kani Pashyati. That's Bahuvachana. And Ramah Ke Pashyati.
That's it. That's it. It's very simple.
And yad is not commonly used, is it, or used often?
Yad is used. I think we won't ask yad in the exam. It's a little bit involved. So we'll study yad a little bit more thoroughly, and then.
Thank you. Yad was a troubling.
Yad is a little trouble. Astu. Anything on Sarvanama Shabda? Any doubt?
There was one like Yadi Tarhi. I don't remember, but I haven't revised it. We did it earlier.
That is not in the syllabus for this exam, so we'll not worry about that. Astu. Let us study about revise Tumun. Can anybody tell me what Tumun is? Even an example is fine.
It is to sing, to talk, to do something.
Samskrute udaharanani dadatu.
Patatum, khadatum.
Patitum, khaditum.
Next week revision.
Khaditum.
Krotum.
Shrotum.
Lekitum also is.
Lekitum.
Patum. Kriditum.
Patum. Kriditum.
Gantum.
Gantum. Agantum. Vaktum. So, Sukanya Mahoday, you asked this question.
Yeah. So for Gayatri, what it will be? What will it be, Bhanmate?
Gatum.
Gatum.
Atra pashyati. Atra pashyati. Screen drishyate va?
No.
Idanim?
Yes.
So when you want to say to do something, you add the tum ending. That's all. Tumun pratyaya is an indication of to do something. Whatever that something is, we don't care. To do something, and all those words will end in tum. Tum. And that is why it is called tumun pratyaya. Tum. So kridati, kriditum, patitum, to read, kriditum, to play, gatum, to sing, vaktum, to speak.
So it is present continuous.
I don't know, Mahodaya. My English grammar is
not the same thing, but continuous present. No, that's it.
His Sanskrit grammar is much better than English grammar. So let us keep it as to do.
No, it is to do. Actually, it is to do.
Purpose or object.
So look at this table. These are all the some of the two forms.
Vartamana only, no? Not Bhavishyat.
So it is not same question that Vijay Menon Mahodaya asked. It is not dependent on Kala. It is not dependent on Vachana. Balakaha patitum icchati. Balakau patitum icchataha. Balakaha patitum icchanti. So patitum is not changing whether it is one balaka, two balakas, or many balakas. So it is not dependent on the vachana of the karta. One boy likes to read, two boys like to read, many boys like to read. So patitum is same for balakaha, balakau, balakaha. Kridati, kriditum. And this is not dependent on kala also. It's not it is just an indication of to do something. It's not related to kala at all. It's not vartamana, it's not bhavishyat, it's not bhuta, nothing like that. It is just an indication of to do something. Yeah.
Desire to do something.
Bhanu Mahoday, that you said once that gamishyati, that shyati to omit, I mean to drop that off and add tum. Once you had mentioned that. So I wanted to see few examples on that.
What is the bhavishyat kala of pathati?
Bhavishyat kala. Patishyati.
So remove shyati and add tum. What will remain?
Patitum.
Patitum. Kridati, what is the bhavishyat kala?
Kridishyati. Kridishyati.
So remove shyati and add tum.
Okay. Kriditum.
This is important. Likhati. What is the bhavishyat kala of likhati?
Likhishyati.
Lekhishyati.
So remove shyati, add
tum.
Lekhitum. Gayati, gatum. Vadati, to speak. Chalati, walk.
So, Bhanu Mahoday, so Vadati Bhavishyat Kala is Vaktum.
Vadishyati.
Okay, so there is special. Okay.
It doesn't always work. It will work in many cases, but not always.
Not all.
Gacchati, gantum, to walk, to go. Agacchati, agantum, to come.
That also is Gamishyati in Bhavishyat Kala. Gamishyati.
It's not gamintum or gamitum, it is gantum. So converting it into bhavishyat kala and removing shyati and adding tum works in some cases, not all.
Not in all. Dhanyavad.
Shrunoti, shrotum, pashyati, to listen, pashyati, this one, pashyati, drashtum. It's not pashyitum or something like that, drashtum. Dhavati, dhavitum, shaknoti, not shaknotum, shaktam. Pathayati, pathayitum. So it comes with practice. Until then, memorize. Dadati, this is one more special. It is not dadatum, it is datum. Pibati, patum. Karoti, kartum. Nrutyati, nartitum. Janati, jnatum. Marati, martum. There's only like 20 of them or 15 of them. Until it becomes second nature, please memorize.
Yes.
Any other questions on Suman, Sukanya Mahoday?
That's all. That's all.
Okay. And does anybody else have a question on Suman? Now let us look
that homework was quite exhaustive.
While doing the homework,
I missed the homework. Sorry, I was looking at all the answers, and just day before yesterday, I'm like, oh my God, there is homework. So I'm going to submit this evening. Sorry for that.
Chinta master. Let us look at Bhuta Kala for a second. Does anybody remember what the Bhuta Kala is called? The form that we studied? Vadatu.
No, I know the.
It's called Tavatu. It's okay. If you don't know the name, don't worry. Tavatu. Can you see my screen?
Tavatu.
Tavatu. It's okay.
No, we can't see the screen, no? We can't
You can't see the screen? Sorry. Now?
Yes.
That's just the technical name of the form that of Bhutakala that we learned. Bhagya Mahoday, vadatu. Pathati Bhutakala. Balakah pathati.
Patitavati, patitavan. I'm sorry. Patitavan, balakaha patitavan, balika patitavati.
Balakah patitavan, balika patitavati. Ekavasanam. And do you remember why? So, pathati, balakah patati, balika pathati. So, there pathati remains the same whether it is balakah or balika. So, we said the Kriya Pada does not change based on the Linga. But here we are saying balakah patitavan, balika patitavati. Does anybody remember why that is?
It is
Namapada.
vibhakti, right?
It's a Namapada.
So, patitavan, patitavati, the Tavatu form is not actually a Kriya Pada, it is a Namapada. Not a verb as such, it is a noun. And so, all nouns, all Namapadas or Linga, they depend on Linga. Ramaha, Sita, they are different. Right? So, that is why patitavan, patitavati. So, it is important when you are writing Bhutakala in Tavatu form, in this form, pay attention to the Linga of the Karta. If it is Balakaha, Patitavan. If it is Balika, Patitavati. Who wants to say in Bahuvachana?
I'll say.
Vijay Meena.
Balakaha patitavantaha. And balikaha patitavatyaha.
Patitavatyaha. Patitavantaha, patitavatyaha. We didn't study Dvivachana, don't worry about it. And we didn't study the Napumsakalinga also, don't worry about it. So, here are some forms. Pathati, pathitavan, kridati, kriditavan, khadati, khaditavan, likhati, likhitavan. Vijay Sundaram Mahodaya. Do the same thing in Strilinga. Ekavachana.
Ati, padivati. I mean,
Satyam, Patitavati.
Kridati, kriditavati. Khadati, khaditavati. And likhati, likhitavati.
Likhitavati, dirgham, likhitavati. So simply replace one with vati. Chaitra Mahoday. Same thing, Bahuvachana, Pumlinga and then Strilinga.
Vartamana Kala also Mahodaya?
Astu, vadatu. Vartamana, no, for these 4 words, do the Bhutakala in Strilinga and Pumlinga and Strilinga, Bahuvachana.
Patati, patitavan, patitavantaha, patitavati, patitavatyaha. Kridati, kriditavan, kriditavati, kriditavantaha, kriditavatyaha. Khadati, khaditavan, khaditavati, khaditavantaha, khaditavatyaha. Likhati, likhitavan, likhitavati, likhitavantaha, likhitavatyaha.
Uttamam. Straightforward. Any doubts on this one? Is this clear? Any doubts?
Mahodaya, sarve क्रियापदाः नामपदाः खलु नामपदाः वा
न महोदय संस्कृते नामपदानि सन्ति क्रियापदानि सन्ति they are two different things there are only two types of words
looking at this patati patitavan that's namapada here right that's what I'm asking.
in this context satyam this is satyam these are all ekavachana and bahuvachana are also namapada only. Was that the question? Is this a namapada? Is this a namapada? Was that the question?
Yeah. So I mean, and also there will be dvivachana there.
Dvivachana will be there. We haven't studied it, so don't.
I know, but I'm just asking. It's going to be some kriya padas are going to be like namapadas.
Correct. In savatu pratyaya kriya pada actually namapada acts or gives the sense of a kriya pada.
Okay.
बालकः पठितवान् बालकौ पठितवन्तौ पठितवन्तः क्रीडितवान् क्रीडितवन्तौ क्रीडितवन्तः like that. Same way for स्त्रीलिङ्ग also क्रीडितवती क्रीडितवत्यौ क्रीडितवत्यः. Have I answered your question, Mahodaya?
Astu Mahodaya.
Astu. Please ask if you have any questions.
Only one confusion, we have to study from for the test from 22nd till 31st, like all the
Satyam.
Okay.
But thank remember you. The Rama table, can you still see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Yes.
So in slide 31, we have, you see this Rama Shabda, Sita Shabda, Nadi and Alam. So remember these four.
Okay.
Dvivachana only for Prathama Vibhakti and Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Dvitiya, okay.
Astu. Several people had questions about homework prints. Somebody had a question? Several people had questions about homework 27. Meera Mahodaya has kindly offered to do a revision of homework 27 in the next tutorial class. So please attend that class. It is important. We will do some abhyasa now also.
Banu, on Sunday, I received one, there was something on Sunday, some tutorial class. I didn't understand, what was that?
So we have morning class and evening class, right? Satyam has morning class and evening class. So the morning class has a tutorial session on Saturday morning IST, and the evening class has a tutorial on Friday evening IST. You are welcome to attend any of them, either of them.
Yeah, Friday one I attend.
There is nothing on Sunday.
Something on Sunday.
Banu Mahodaya, Karthik Mahodaya of the morning class, he's done a whole document on the 40 questions for the homework 27.
We need one session to understand the document. But
no, but basically he's covered all of that there.
Right.
So
we will do abhyasa now a little bit, so that you can ask me questions. We will start with simple thing. Astu. Usha Mahoday, Prathamam Pashyati. Sita Ramam Pashyati. So whenever you have a sentence, what is the first thing you have to do?
Look for the Kriya.
Look for the Kriya. Atra Kriya Padam kim asti?
Pashyati.
Pashyati. Kriya Padasya Vachanam and Kala. You have to specify the Vachana and the Kala. So Pashyati is?
Pashyati is Ekavachanam and it is Pradhama Purusha.
Vartamana Kala.
Vartamana Kala.
Prathama Purusha, Vartamana Kala, Ekavachana. After identifying Kriya Pada, what do you have to do next?
I look for the Karta. Karta here is Sita, Strilinga, Ekavachanam. And next is
Vibhakti.
Ramam.
Vibhakti.
Sita is Pradama Vibhakti. Karta.
It is Karta, so it is Prathama Vibhakti.
Then Ramam. Then Ramam is Dvitiya Vibhakti, Karma, Pulinga.
Ekavachana.
Ekavachana.
Is that clear for everybody?
Yes.
Astu, who has not done revision? Say Viraj Mahodaya. Dvitiyam karotu.
Mahodaya. Pitavati. So this is in Bhutakala. Strilinga. So Karta will be Balika.
Ekavachana. Say the vachana also. Because why is it important?
Because Karta.
Because if it is in Ekavachana, Karta will be in Ekavachana. If it is Dvivachana or Bahuvachana, Karta will also be in that appropriate vachana.
Balika, Karta, then Pratama Vachana, Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachana, Strilinga.
Strilinga. Anantaram.
Karma Pada, Jalam, Dvitiya Vibhakti, then Napumsakalinga, Ekavachana.
Ekavachana.
There is
After
one.
that, first identify Kriya, from that you get Karta, then identify Karma, and then look at the remaining one. That's the order. Kriya, Karta, Karma, and the rest of it. How do you identify Karma?
One, I think, will be Jalam. So
Ending is there. That is one clue, but it's not the only answer. It is not. It will not give you a definitive answer. Let's take the easy example. Sita Ramam Pashyati. How do you go about identifying karma? What question do you have to ask?
What?
To get karma.
Kim
or what? So ask kim or what to the Kriya Pada. Kim Pashyati, or what does she see? That answer is karma. Is Ramam. Is Rama. Now, just for fun, Sita Pashyati. Now, what is karma pada there?
There is no karma pada.
Viraj Mahodaya?
No object.
Sita Pashyati, then Sita.
You ask the question, Kim Pashyati, or what does she see? Are you getting an answer?
No.
No answer. So, there are sentences where Kriya Pada, Karma Pada can be answered. So, if you do not get an answer for what or Kim that you ask on the Kriya Pada, then there is no Karma Pada. Balakaha Bhavati.
But in that example, if I ask what, I can say Sita, right? If I ask Pashyati, what are you Pashyati? Sita.
Who Pashyati?
That is why identify Kriya, then identify Karta.
So Karta will be, okay, Karta will always be there.
Satyam. If it was Sita was the karma, then it would have been Sitam.
Oh, yeah,
Right.
understood. Yeah. Got it.
Astu. Balakaha Dhavati. Vijay Menon Mahodaya, Balakaha Dhavati. Karta, Karma, Kriya, or Vibhakti, whatever you want to say.
Dhavati is the Kriya.
Vachana, tell me the whole thing.
Okay. So Dhavati is Vartamana Kala, Ekavachana. Pratama Vibhakti, no, Vibhakti is not there. No, Kriya.
Purusha.
Okay, Pratama Purusha. Balakaha Dhavati, correct? So balaka is the karta. Balakah पुल्लिंगा एकवचन एक प्रथम विभक्ति
कर्मपदम
बालकः धावति. There is no karma.
There is no karma. Kim dhavati, or what is the boy running? There is no answer in that sentence. There is nothing to answer that. So there will be sentences where there is no karma. Balakah pathati. The boy is reading. We don't know what he is reading. The sentence doesn't tell us. Balaka pustakam pathati. Then karma pada is, or ditya vibhakti ekvachana is pustakam. Otherwise, no. So pashyati. How do you identify? Just like kim or whom, or to identify karma pada, we ask kim or whom. What question do you ask to arrive at karta?
What is
who is doing the action?
Who is doing? So if it is pumlinga, kaha, right? Kaha kauke. If it is strilinga, ka ke kaha. If napunsakalinga, kim ke kani. Kaha pashyati, or ka pashyati, or kim pashyati. So that is why we study the questions along with the form. Viraj Mahodaya, Purnam Karoti. You identified Balika, Jalam, Pitavati. One word is remaining.
Chashakena. This will be Tritiya Vibhakti. Using the spoon.
With something or by something. So, Tritiya Vibhakti, Vachanam.
This will be Pullinga Ekavachana.
Chashakaha, so Chashakena. Pullinga Ekavachana.
It's a glass, no? Not a spoon.
Glass. Chashakaha. In Sanskrita, words, objects can be in any linga. It has nothing to do with the physical reality. It's just a word. Harsha Mahodaya. Balakaha granthan patishyanti.
Balakaha granthan patishyanti. Patishyanti kriyapada. Bahuvachana. Balakaha karta. Prathama vibhakti.
What is the kala of this?
Bhavishyat kal.
Purusha.
Balakaha karta.
Purusha. What is the Purusha? Did you say? Prathama Purusha va.
Prathama Purusha. Prathama Purusha.
Then.
Yeah. Kaha patishyanti. Balakaha patishyanti. So balaka is a karta. Balakaha kan patishyanti.
No.
Balakaha granthan patishyanti.
No. You have to say karta is fine. You have to say the vibhakti, vachana.
Balaka pratham vibhakti.
Prathama vibhakti.
Bahuvachana. Pullinga. Bahuvachana. Pullinga.
Astu.
Granthan.
Kim patishyanti, or what?
Granthan karma. Bahuvachana kim patishyanti. Kim patishyanti. Granthan is the bahuvachana. Pullinga. Ditya vibhakti.
Uttamam. Is that clear? Does anybody have questions on this?
Is it Grantham or Grantham? It won't be Napunsakling.
Granthaha.
It's Granthaha.
Satya. Pumlin.
And if it is a Grantham, it's a Ekvachanam.
If it was grantham, it would have been granthani, right? It is granthan, so it is Pullinga.
Yes.
Kavita Mahoday, etat karotu.
शिक्षकः गुरुकुलेषु पाठयति क्रियापदं पाठयति एकवचनं शिक्षकः प्रथमविभक्ति शिक्षकः
No, Prathama Purusha. For the Kriya, you have to identify the Purusha also.
प्रथमपुरुषः शिक्षकः प्रथमविभक्ति गुरुकुलेषु सप्तमी.
Hold on. So Prathama Vibhakti is fine. Vachanam, Lingam.
Ekavachanam, Pumlingam.
Karma. What is karma here?
Karma is not there.
Karma is not there because when you ask kim or what pathayati, there is no answer, right? What is he teaching? We don't know. The sentence does not tell us. So this sentence does not have a karma. Anantaram.
Gurukuleshu Bahuvachanam Saptami Vibhakti Napumsakalingam.
Satyam. Uttamam. Sandeep Mahoday. Etat karo.
Mahoday, I have a question.
Puchatu.
Patham is Napumsakalingam or Pullinga?
Pathaha Pumlinga. Sandeep Mahoday.
I thought Gurukula is Pullinga. Am I right?
Gurukula.
I thought it was Napumsakalinga.
Yes.
Gurukulam. Napunsakalinga.
We will look it up. Either way, good for us from Trutiya Vibhakti onwards, whether it is Napumsakalinga or Pumlinga, all the forms are the same. Whether it is Pumlinga or Napumsakalinga, it's Gurukuleshu only. But I will look it up and tell you. Sandeep Mahoday अस्ति वा?
Yeah.
एतत् करोतु.
स्थालिकासु रोटिकाः सन्ति. क्रियापद is santi. That is pratham purusha vartaman kala bahuvachanam. Artha is rotikah is strilinga pratham vibhakti bahuvachanam.
Uttamam.
And sthalikasu.
No. Karma. Remember the order. Kriya, karta, karma. Whether it is there or not, if you remember that order, you are become easy.
So the karma pada is not there.
Karma pada nasti.
Nasti. Sthalikasu saptami vibhakti strilinga bahuvachanam.
उत्तमम्. एकवचने अस्ति चेत्
एकवचने स्थालिकायां.
उत्तमम्.
Mahoday, here Stalikasu, is it not the karma pada?
No. Santi. Ask the question, Santi. What?
So, what is the Kriya is Santi?
So, how do you identify karma pada?
Karma pada, who did?
Who exists? Rotika exists. Okay.
Or in this case, what exists?
In this case, what makes more sense?
Or kaha. It will be kaha santi because it's strilinga. So kaha.
Sandeep Mahoday, I cannot hear you clearly.
Then we ask.
Karta.
You were saying because rotika is karta because the question will be aha santi because it's strilinga.
So that is why first kriya, then karta. Karta is gone, kriya is gone. Now ask the question: what santi, what exists, or what is or are present? Santi is Bahuvachana, so what are present? There is no answer.
Rotikaha santi is rotis are there.
Rotis are there.
Sthalikasu on the
On
table.
On plate or in the plate?
On the place. Okay, on the plate.
So just because there are 3 words in a sentence and you identified karta and kriya doesn't mean that the remaining word is karma. It is a karma only if it answers kim or what or whom when you ask that question to the kriya.
So I have a question. Now, it is not the karma. What do we write as Talika? So we have to just write what vibhakti is there, what
No, vibhakti, vachana, and linga. Vibhakti, vachana, linga.
So you don't have to write the whatever karma or kriya or something. If you don't agree that it is karma or kriya.
You can say karma nasti. Every sentence will not have a karma.
Shamyaktam Mahodaya. I think when you change the order, it is easier to find the karta and karma. Rotikaha stalikasu santi. If you keep it, then it is easier to see whether it is karta or karma.
Satyam. Etat karatu Mahodaya, Sumitra Mahodaya.
Which one, Mahodaya?
Saptam.
Okay. Te purushaihi devam pujayanti. Kriya is pujayanti. Vartamana kalaha pratama purushaha bahuvachanam. Then karta will be te. Te pullingaha. Pullingaha pratama vibhaktihi and bahuvachanam. Then devam will be karma. Pullingaha tritiya vibhakti ekavachanam. Pushpaihi will be napusalingam. Tritiya vibhakti bahuvachanam.
Uttamam. Same sentence, instead of te, convert it into Uttama Purusha.
Uttama Purusha.
Mahodaya, te is Strilinga, no? Strilinga Bahuvachana.
So te is which vachana Mahodaya and Strilinga? Sa, te, taha, right?
Taha.
So te is Dvivachana. So if this is a Strilinga, then the kriya should be, but kriya is already in the Bahuvachana, so it cannot be te of the Strilinga.
Te of Pumlinga.
It has to be the, that is exactly why I tell you, identify kriya, then identifying the karta becomes foolproof. You are correct. Te can be Strilinga Dvivachana. But how do we know? How do we ascertain for a fact? The kriya pada vachana will give you the answer.
Pujayataha.
Is that clear, Ramesh Mahodaya?
No, if te is the dvivachana, it would be the karma, right then?
Te pushpaihi devam pujayataha. Te of Strilinga.
Okay.
If it is Strilinga Dvivachanam, then it will be karta, but then you would need it will be karma. Then
Karma.
you need
Separate karta. We have to find a separate karta.
Correct. Sumitra Mahodaya, Parivartanam Karoti.
Aham pushpaihi devam pujayami.
Aham pushpaihi devam pujayami. Let's keep it simple. instead of let's remove pushpaihi. Aham devam pujayami. Dvivachana.
Bahuvachanam will be vayam devam pujayamaha.
Dvivachana.
Aham. Sorry. Avam devam pujayavaha.
Uttama, uttama. Anupama Mahoday. Etat karotu. Chhatra.
आं महोदय. छात्राः अभ्यासान् लेखिष्यति.
छात्राः न छात्रा.
छात्रा अभ्यासान् लेखिष्यति. लेखिष्यति भविष्यत्कालः एकवचनं. That's the क्रियापदं.
पुरुष.
प्रथमपुरुषः.
उत्तमम्. अनन्तरं
कर्ता छात्रा. स्त्रीलिंग प्रथमपुरुष. Sorry, प्रथमा विभक्ति. And छात्रा एकवचनम्.
उत्तमम्.
अभ्यासान् कर्मपदम्. अभ्यासः पुल्लिंग शब्दे द्वितीया विभक्ति एक अभ्यासान् बहुवचनम्.
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्.
I have a question, Mahodaya. The karta is always prathama vibhakti and karma is always dvitiya vibhakti, right?
Satyam, satyam.
Okay.
In this sentence, instead of chhatra, if it was aham.
Aham abhyasan likhami. Avan abhyasan likhavah.
Avam, not avan.
Avam. Avam abhyasan likhavah. Vayam abhyasan likhamah.
Uttamam, uttamam. Antimam, Bala Mahodaya, etat karoti kripaya.
Sumitra Dasharatat Varam Prapnoti. Kriyapadam Prapnoti. Ekavachanam. Sorry, I'm saying ekavachanam. Can I say ekavachanam? Vartamana Kalaha. Vartamana Kalaha Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam.
Uttamam.
Then Karta Sumitra Strilinga Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Varam Karmapada Napunsakalinga Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Dasharatat Pullinga Panchami Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Uttamam, uttamam. So that is how you go about.
The simple clue is keep the homework answers open and then read out because you already submitted the homework.
So that is how you go about parsing a sentence or identifying a different parts of a sentence. Any questions on this? Simple enough, right?
The table should be remembered.
Table should be remembered. Satyam, satyam. If you have further questions, email or ask on Signal.
Just one question. In the next one, it's Saraswata. So, is that karta only bhakti or it will become bhakti?
Karta is bhakti. Bhakti asti. Satyam. Any other question?
Bhanu Mahodaya.
Vadatu.
Dvayam staha. Could I ask after the prayers or?
9:30 अभवत् मङ्गलश्लोकं वदामि अनन्तरं पृच्छतु।
अस्तु महोदय।
सर्वे म्यूट् मध्ये भवन्तु। ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ। धन्यवादाः।